Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the very beautifully crafted the soft silk material in a premium quality, the Ikkat style waves border part, and very beautifully eye-catching brocade blouse piece in this collection. Let me show you the full look of this saree part. This saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India, and you can must be visit our website www.vastranand.in. You can download our application in Android and iOS device and explore our more than 5000 plus designs, different category and affordable price point. Let's start the video. In first product, you see the very beautifully crafted, the eye-catching yellow color combination and contrast pink color combination, pink and white color combination, the Ikkat patterns in entire the border in both side of the saree, and very beautifully crafted Ikkat waves the pallu part. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted the Ikkat waves pallu and pink color combination, the resin thread tassels part. Look at the full look of the saree part in entire the body. You receive the yellow color combination and pink color combination, the Ikkat designs in both side of this saree part. Let me show you the fill foil of this saree. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted, lightweighted, premium quality soft silk material. The saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the eye-catching, the Adbhut, the Maina, the pink color combination, the full Zari, golden Zari views, the full brocade blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND, and our customer care number is 8154000063. Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and you can call with total 6 multi-language support we are providing in via customer care executive number, Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Let me show you the last but not the least, the bottle green color combination with a pink color combination, same design, same patterns, only different color combination, and as usual the premium quality soft silk material. Here you can see the full look of the saree part with a pink with a green color combination, double Ikkat style waist, the pallu parts with a magenta color combination, the resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the bottle green color combination, plain body with pink color combination, the double Ikkat style border in both side of the saree part. The saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the very beautifully crafted, the magenta color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Look at the beauty of this blouse piece with a golden Zari waves. Vastram Mari Anandam Meri. Buy now at Vastranand.